What's up, guys? Welcome back. Patreon request from Ravi. Yeah, Ravi. Yes, Ravi and Rana, of course. So this is American football. All right. So Julio Jones, I think this guy's name is. So Falcons. All right. So with the visor. All right. So there's like a white patch here, just like a rectangle. It kind of goes around one of the bars. Okay, and there's like two little studs or something there. So then this black bar comes across the middle. Right, and goes this way. And then I think it clips down to the bottom one. So it like clips around the next one. So this bar travels around to the side of the helmet. So, yeah, and then we go this way. Longer on this side because of the way his head is turned around. So this seems to bump down there. There's all different connectors and everything. But this generally just travels this way. Okay, and this one kind of goes around the back of the helmet. So it's different. So this is a bar or a couple of bars, right? So like a bar here. And I think, yeah, it like we can see it connects down to the bottom one there, and then goes around. Go around this way. So then we see another bar go right underneath this one. And it disappears into there for me anyway. Right, and then this comes down, so it's like bars connecting. Right, so another section here. Ooh, yeah, kind of like that. Right, and then there's bits sticking off. So like little things like this, and then around your red visor here. The red visor in there. And then the bottom part of his sort of chin. Comes around here somewhere. Back up into here. And then we do the inside. So there's a lot of these little white clips and stuff. So this comes down there. Maybe that should come up a bit higher so underneath that bar. There's like a chin guard or something in there. And then there's white straps around here. And then it looks like the back of his helmet. All clips and connectors and all that kind of stuff in there now. So I think the helmet just goes around this way then. Very shiny. kind of wild, the amount of protection they need for this sport. Like, we just play rugby and like there's no pads. There's like a white clip or something here. Nothing on that side, and I think there's like some stuff like this, and then some holes. So the falcon symbol, so I'll draw it in, it's in white, but I can't really see it, so we'll do a general sort of falcon. Seems to just have a big wing. Down there. Roughly like that. Of course, if you know the symbol better than me, like you can't see it there really. Feel free to add more detail to that. Right, so his shoulder pads are real high up, so like out this way, kind of just like bumping around here. We can just see like the number 11. So we go down, and that goes like around his shoulder and his bicep there. Shoulder pad in there, and there's like another number 11, like vague shape, and a Nike tick. That's a mouth guard, sorry, in there. Yeah, I'm just after realizing there's a mouth guard. There's another rough, I'll just do a vague sort of falcon wing sort of thing there. Folding lines coming across the chest then. And we have the NFL brand here. Right, and then we'll just go down his body here for his jersey. It's all folding, coming across his stomach, you know, lots of fabric lines and stuff. And it just bounces around here. And we got like a big number 11 here. So as well, there is this paint effect, which is done afterwards. Like it's like someone spray painted on. So I will draw, I'll draw it in normal. And if you want to add color, or when I'm adding color, I can do the drips. So or if you want, will I draw them in? Because they're not really drawn in, so maybe I'll draw them. Yeah, because you asked for this specific one, so we'll just do the number 11 anyway, right? Just here on his chest. And then, so this one, for example, has, we'll go down, has the sort of spray paint effect down here, right? So if I was drawing it in, I would just do this. So we just do some paint drips. It's kind of just this. Okay, kind of like that. And they do this in various places on the figure. Say like at the bottom of his shorts here as well. So say like, I think that's a rag, like a, you know, sweat. It dries his sweat sort of there. And then they do these big paint things, paint drips, just coming down all here. I'll go off my page. And then just goes back up into there, and there's a red line there, and like just some, this is shorts, so, oh, and they give it on the Nike tick as well. So they do some little drips just coming from Nike. And there's another NFL thing here, no drips from that one, just his waistband. Okay, so arms then. So we can see deltoid muscles, big, right? And then bicep, tricep, elbow. And his forearm is all drippy. Oh, I'm gonna sneeze, I think. Oh, excuse me. Hope I edit that out. Sometimes I miss them. Forearm goes down this way. And so like this has like paint falling, running down. That way. And then his forearm has one of those big sleeves on. That is it running back is the name of the position. They usually wear this stuff. I'll do his other arm and then we'll do the hands. So we get deltoid. Again, sort of tricep. We're kind of front on with his bicep, right? So bicep is like kind of here. You can see the back of his tricep as well. You know you're strong when you can see your triceps behind, when your triceps are bigger than your biceps, like where they like protrude at the sides. Strong. Right, and then his forearm. This is just skin forearm, so. Right, gloves and hands, and there is some paint drip from the hands as well, but I will put, it's probably easier to draw the hands and then add the paint drip after. So, gloves, sleeves of it. And then like his thumb is here. And then this goes down to his index finger. And then we can see a couple more fingers just in behind then. Kind of like that. And then they do the paint drip just in there. That just makes it look like he has like 40 fingers. But when it's red, it'll make sense. You know, just like coming down. And then this hand. Like so. So like glove lines and fabric lines, and they put like paint coming down there, and he's holding the football. So that make them, maybe I'll brighten them up when I'm coloring so they don't look like fingers. So that's it. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for the support on Patreon, Ravi. See you next one. Bye.